How to fix Instagram app not working. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram app not working easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Go to your phone settings and go to the apps. And then click on apps again, and now search for Instagram like this. Click on the Instagram. This is the Instagram settings on my phone. Now click on the storage option, and now click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is restart your phone, and the problem is gonna be solved. And if it's not, then you have the last choice to uninstall the app and then re-download it on the Play Store. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.